Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to schedule pins on Pinterest. First, unlock your phone and open Pinterest. Once Pinterest is open, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. After opening your profile, look at the middle right side and tap on the plus icon. This will open different options for creating a post. To schedule a post, your Pinterest account needs to be a business account. If you're an influencer or creator and have the required account type, you can use the scheduling option. After tapping the plus icon, different options will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Pin from the bottom left side to start creating your pin. Now select the photos or videos you want to use for your pin. You can select multiple photos or videos, and once you're done, tap Next on the right side. After tapping Next, choose the format for your pin. Once you've selected the format, tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll see different options for your pin. Enter your title, description, links, and adjust the other available details as needed. Look for the Schedule Date option and tap on it. From there, select the date and time when you want your pin to be published. Once you've selected your preferred date and time, tap Done at the bottom right side of the screen. This will take you back to the pin details. Finally, tap Schedule at the bottom right side of the screen. Your pin will then be scheduled on Pinterest for the selected date and time. And that's how you can schedule pins on Pinterest. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Pinterest tutorials.